Well, good morning, everybody, from Route 66. Barstow, California is where we start the day. I'm going to take the bike out a little bit. I made one upgrade to my bike accessories, and that is I got a full-face modular helmet. I've had these before. They're really super comfortable and easy to use because they open up right here. It's easier to get on my fat head and more comfortable, and I'll feel safer. There'll be less wind noise. My ears won't ring as much, my eyes won't water as much. It's gonna make me feel a little safer on the road. So, got my full face helmet, I'm gonna get all the rest of my gear and batteries, and we're gonna go explore Barstow, California on Route 66 this morning. That's right, it's early, it's 7:30 in the morning. This is my attempt to beat the heat. I just missed riding old Roxy here, so this is my excuse for an early morning ride before we head out of town in Barstow. Route 66 with the old Bel Air on the pedestal there. Heck yeah. And Barstow, California is full of these. Route 66 business corridor. I don't know why it says Illinois. We are in California. We're at the other end, but okay. I know what you're thinking, Eric. 2 straight Route 66 videos featuring McDonald's. What's up with that? Well, McDonald's really is embracing the Route 66 theme, and I think it's awesome. As a matter of fact, if you are a business and you're on Route 66 and you don't somehow incorporate that into your business, like Starbucks over there, just plain, nothing, no effort, check out McDonald's. With the train cars that you can eat in outside, oh yeah, it's officially the Barstow station. Let's go check it out inside. By the way, I am super early. They don't really even set up this station inside until lunchtime, like 11. Everything's still tarped up. I can get a magnet, probably if they have a magnet. Oh, Ronald. I wanted to talk to you, Ronald. I love what you've done on Route 66. Keep it up. Now we're walking through one of those 3 train cars that I showed you outside. So, you can come all the way to the back, sit here, and eat your food at this travel station in a legit train car. That's pretty cool. So since this is a legit, still working, train station and everything, I think that water tower up there is actually for the old steam trains that were here. I don't think that's for drinking water. That's pretty cool that they preserved it to still look like a modern day water tower of sorts. Yeah. And I got 2 magnets while I was here since they had quite the collection. I actually got a Santa Monica, California magnet. It's got the pier and the Ferris wheel and everything because they didn't have one in Santa Monica when I was there at the start. And I got a Barstow Railroad Route 66 station magnet for this particular place because there's so much here in Barstow. There is no shortage of quirky old Route 66 themed motels around here. The Stardust Inn Motel with free HBO, yeah! With vacancy, y'all, and evidence of Route 66 all over the place. Yes. I personally like being reminded where we are constantly on the road. Not too many roads painted right on the road. And just follow the brown Route 66 signs all the way on down. And the Cactus Motel, classic quirky roadside Route 66. Quiet, nice rooms, and at night this sign comes to life. Neon green. The Cactus Motel. Well, then where's the Cactus? Oh, it's right across the street at the Route 66 Hotel. This one is closed up. Yeah, another one bites the dust here. They got boarded up doors. So, yeah, no vacancy here. You gotta stick to your roots, man. It's a motel. As soon as you start trying to call it a hotel, nah, nobody's gonna come over. It's not Route 66 enough, All right, and perhaps my favorite of all here in Barstow, the Route 66 Motel. With almost a really old payphone, but no payphone in there. Free Wi-Fi, round beds? Yes, those are my favorite kinds. So the motel has some old trucks and cars outside. Between each hotel room is like a Route 66 garage type thing that's open. Closer look at one of the many garages between all of the rooms, complete with lots of Route 66 stuff. Oh yeah, look at those tail lights, those Mopar tail lights. The Chevron gas pump back there. pretty cool little addition. Possibly the quirkiest motel in Barstow here at Route 66 Motel. Oh, okay, the Torches Motel is right next door to Route 66 Motel. And they've got this cool painted mural, "Get your kicks on Route 66. Hey, we're doing that, riding a motorcycle. Starting in Santa Monica, California, then we'll head on into Flagstaff, Arizona, continue on over into New Mexico, then Texas and Amarillo, then Oklahoma, a little bit of Kansas on the southern side, Missouri, Illinois with Mr. Lincoln, and yeah, Main Street, America. I love exploring on the old Mother Road, guys. There's one more spot I wanted to stop at, but it's actually not open for another hour. So actually, I'm gonna go back to the RV, make one more cup of coffee, put the bike back on the RV, and Jackson and I will take Miranda back through one last time before we head east on Route 66 to make one more stop, okay? All right, all showered up. Got my coffee. There's no tater haters here. Believe that. Place I want to go visit opens in about 15 minutes, so I'll just pack up a few more things and Jackson and I'll hit the road on the Mother Road. What do you mean you're not ready? You had all morning to get ready. What do you have to do still? Oh, yawn? Okay, now you good? Good deal. Okay, let's go. No. Are you kidding me? For a third time in Barstow? I think it's closed again randomly. It's Friday at 11:30 in the morning. Everything is closed up. I don't get it. This is the third time this place is just never open. Google says they're open Tuesday through Sunday. This sign says only Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And boo. On the plus side, though, Route 66 is going up into the mountains. We may not hit triple digits today, depending on how far I get, so we'll just freestyle it for the day. How's that sound? All right, Route 66, here we come. Goodbye, Barstow Museum, for a third time. $4.99 a gallon, and they are lined up for $4.99 a gallon. Oh, sorry, but $5 a gallon for fuel, California, you are smoked out. Okay, we're in Baghdad now. Baghdad, California, on the Mother Road. This is probably one of the better paved versions of the back roads. Is this place open? It says cold beer and cocktails. Ooh, there's a Newberry Springs. No, everything's closed. Every single thing here is closed. But there's a human right there. That's a good sign. There is life on Route 66, guys. I see, and then every once in a while, it looks like we're out in the middle of the desert, right? Pops up some random clue that something used to be here. I mean, this is a neon motel sign calling people in from the Great Mother Road right here. It's just, it's kind of hard to believe there was ever power out here, right? Although it says there's a cafe. I would be highly shocked if the cafe is open over there. They do have an old Airstream out here outside Bagdad Cafe that says American Car Club. Into the wild in Baghdad Cafe. In reference to the movie when he lived out of the bus in Alaska. Oh wow, a lot of people have broken into here and wrote their names. Lots of different years. Try our buffalo burger. A bunch of stickers. There's room for a Nomadic Fanatic sticker right there. This can't be. It says open 7 days a week, 7 to 7. No way, that's not open in there. But originally built in the 1950s, it's a world-famous restaurant, the location of the '88 film Bagdad Cafe. Oh, I know that movie. This cafe was in the movie. It says 7 days a week. It should... Oh, is it open?
Yeah, it's open.
Oh,
go ahead.
It's open. I'm sorry. I thought that was a joke. I did not think it was actually going to be open. It looked completely closed up, didn't it? Look at all the dollar bills on the wall signed. Wow. Classic Route 66. Man, that's cool. Historic Baghdad Cafe. Kitchen's closed, but they do sell some souvenirs here. Come on though, seriously, I did not think that door was gonna open. Let me stand back, you can get a better look at this. Did you guys think this thing was gonna be open at all? It's all dark and none of the lights are on. There's no power inside, but she's selling merchandise with cash only, like shirts and t-shirts and stuff. Strange. So since they're closed and not serving food, does that mean I'm gonna make it a whole day on Route 66 without a 66 burger? Okay, people are starting to stare. Why are you licking your chops? Why are you licking your chops? Kitties don't like ham. Kitties like ham? You want some ham? Was that pretty good then? Okay. I was gonna make a sandwich. You're even stealing my food now. I see how it is, man. It's not a burger, it's a ham sandwich. Aww. It's still delicious. You wouldn't like it. What's this strange thing? I believe you call it an apile? Apile? I'm actually gonna pop Miranda into autopilot here because I gotta stay refreshed, and I'm gonna go get a drink. That'll stay straight. Okay, cool. Because you gotta stay hydrated on the road. It's really, really important. Are we? Yep. Okay. See if there's anything good on. Oh, Simpsons is on! Oh, you know what? I'll have time later. I'll have time later. Okay. Put this, oh, that's a cup, that's a cup, that's a cup, it's a cup. What's look good? And Route 66 is a little creepy today. Love it, but man, I mean, something burned down right there. This apparently used to be a gas station, and to keep people out, now they've added fence and barbed wire on top of the fence. I mean, look at this old building. Generators, regulators, water pumps, and fuel pumps. Your typical Route 66 garage. No signs. I'm going in. The stories this old place could tell. This is the wood countertop. Now we're going back behind the counter. Lots of glass, so I'm just gonna watch my step. Oh, and lots of nails in here also. But yep. Man, these are gas pumps. These are old gas pumps, so this may have been a gas station as well, or they owned the gas station next door and just brought the pumps here. There's the cradle right there. Part of a plastic sign of advertising some kind. Maybe Pepsi. That looked like, no, that's Chevron. Oh, it was a Chevron gas station. These are all acrylic. Yep, this is acrylic. Huh. And what's left of the toilet. Yeah. Arc welding also. Man. Ruins. Abandoned places. All thanks to I-40 over there. Look at this one. It's got eyes. Ugh. He sees you when you're exploring. He knows when you're going into the old buildings. Now, I'm not sure what this was or what it could have been. I just know they're not doing anything with it now. Now, this building on the other side of Route 66, you can see that sign next to my RV, that little oval advertising. Who knows? We may never know what this place was. I feel like it looks a little like a church almost from the top area there, but... Oh, well, they left the door open anyway. Okay, just watch your step, because we don't have a full house here. Man. What was it? Who knows? Okay, well, let's keep driving, looking for a spot to boondock. Think we'll find an RV park open on Route 66? No, that's okay though.
Where there's sunshine, there is rain. Where there are faces,
now broke another record here on the Nomadic Fanatic channel. The hottest temperature I have ever been in my entire life. Not just YouTube vlogging, but in my entire life. It's 111 degrees. We got an extreme heat warning on my phone. It advises everybody to stay indoors. Well, I'm running the AC as much as I can, and we're keeping it just at about 85 to 86 degrees inside the RV. Just working as hard as I can. Not going to be spending a whole lot of time outside, obviously. But did want to talk about this because we are now officially in the Mojave Desert here in California. This is the Mojave Desert, and it's record-breaking heat for this time of year. Although I'll bet it's often like this. For me, this is unusual. Now, all of the ash and lava burn off around here, pretty unique. See that over there? I'll pop the drone up because that is an 80,000-year-old cinder crater there. So it's been inactive for quite a while, and there's even, like I said, there's that trail that leads right up over the rim. On a less than hot as hell day, you can actually walk that and look right down, but since I have the drone, I figure, wouldn't it be easier to just fly that over there and enjoy it from the air conditioning of the RV? And yes, I do fly my drone with the controller inside the RV sometimes, but I still have line of sight through the window. So yeah, I gotta appease all those people. Eric's breaking rules. No, not really. But no, it's a pretty area, and you are allowed to overnight park your RV, your fully self-contained RV, in this lot right here. And I want to remind you all that I'm putting everything I have into this YouTube channel, and I appreciate all of you for following my channel, for liking my videos, for subscribing, sharing them with your other friends. I'm so excited about Route 66. I can't stop smiling. I love it so much. I love Route 66. So, have a good night, and please stay tuned. Another Route 66 video coming up soon. Good night, guys. Syncing both cameras right now. I'm trolling you guys hard. Oh man, this is great. Actually gonna pop Miranda into autopilot here. No. Well, still totally worth it.